social media marketing and products claiming to be the next big thing, it can be really hard to determine which are really worth the buy. So here to narrow the list with game-changing baby products is Gadget guru and mother of two, Christina Daves. Welcome.
Hi, thank you, thank you. So we're going to start here. This is tot meal.
Okay.
You can make your own food at home. This was invented by working parents who they didn't feel like they could get good stuff in the grocery store. So this is, you put water in, it's a steamer, it's a pureer. So you steam your food,
We've got carrots in here.
We've got carrots in here. You put it in the food processor, you put it in, and then you put it in here, and you can puree it for a little one when they're just starting, and then you can leave it chunkier for older kids, so you can progress with them.
Wonderful.
15 minutes is all it takes to make this.
Oh my gosh.
So you get home from work, you can start it,
make dinner, do other things.
Yeah.
And what was this called?
Tot meal.
Tot meal.
Tot meal. Okay, this is great. This is gyro bowl. I cleaned up a lot of Cheerios in my life.
Oh my gosh.
You can't.
And the Cheerios, no way.
You cannot.
This is a fabulous invention.
Isn't that great?
And that's just called the gyro bowl?
The gyro bowl.
Bingo.
Now this is food face plates from Uncommon Goods. Kids are picky sometimes, right? So let them decorate. Say, okay, if you make a face and then you have to eat it.
Okay.
Isn't that good? And it comes in a man and a woman, so you can boy or girl, whatever you want.
Love it.
This is one of these. My kids are older. Why didn't I think of this? So pacifiers, kids drop their pacifiers all the time.
Yeah.
Watch this. So here, they drop it, it closes.
And it
instantly
automatically
closes.
does that.
So you don't have to worry about getting dirty. So this is Raz Baby Keep It Clean pacifier.
That is brilliant.
Isn't that brilliant?
So
now,
smart.
This is the one that I wish I had. I cut my poor baby's fingers till they bled all the time. So this is, it's Zoli, and it's just an oscillator. You can feel it.
Yeah.
And they have different age groups. So this is like 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6, 6 to 12, and over 12.
And it just kind of files it down?
It just files it down.
Wonderful.
Yeah, Busby.
Busby. Brilliant. Always so good because those little nails.
Oh,
I know.
And they would just scream. It was,
oh my goodness. So
I
there you go.
apologize. 20 years later, I'm sorry. So this is great. We all worry about grapes.
Yeah.
We all do, kids choking on grapes. So this is from OXO.
Okay.
So you just throw this in your baby bag. Kids want grapes. You put it in, cuts it in 4.
And easy, portable, put it in,
with your grape, you don't have to worry about it. Because grapes scare us as moms.
Yes.
Very scary thing.
All right.
Okay, now.
You teased us, I mean, the potty party.
We're getting to the poop part. So so kids like to show their poop a lot of time when they go.
Yeah.
So what they do is this is potty safe. Most of them, the kids can pick this up. Look, Mom, and they make a mess. So this was invented by parents, super smart, patent pending. It locks in place, and the kids can't lift this up.
Oh, that is smart.
Yes, and this is the greatest thing ever.
All right.
My size potty, training and transition. So you can take this and you can put it next to your potty.
Okay.
Wipes go in here. This is to go to the big potty if you need to do that. And go ahead, you can give it the flush.
Oh my goodness gracious. So they really feel like an adult and accomplished. All right, so as we're kind of flushing the potty party over here, come on over. Some great gadgets here. Thank you all so very much for being here. What an amazing group. And we want to remind you to connect with us. If you have any topics that you'd like for us to talk about, please connect with us on Facebook and on Instagram at the Mother Side ABC7. We so appreciate your support and we look forward to hearing from you. And of course, we could not say goodbye without saying another thank you to all of our amazing guests and magnificent moms. And we will see you next time right here on the Mother Side.